Get ready to be amazed by the most incredible towel creations I've ever seen. These adorable animals' designs. The talented cruise ship staff have taken towel folding to a whole new level. Join us as we are showed how to fold towels into animals, and then guess what animal we just made. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or just looking for some inspiration for your next beach vacation, you won't want to miss this fun and relaxing video. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be towelly impressed. In the previous video I showed you the ship we cruised on. I was impressed with the towel folding. In this video you will see the zoo of animals that the staff made each day. Stay with me and I will show you how to make these amazing animals with your towels. As you walk the decks, you'll catch glimpses of these magnificent creatures peeking out from behind cabin doors, lounging on poolside chairs, or even posing proudly on the edge of a hot tub. Each one is a tiny masterpiece, crafted with precision and care to add a touch of magic to your cruise experience. There's something truly magical about walking into your cabin on a cruise ship and being greeted by a cute towel animal perched on your bed. These adorable creations have become an iconic part of the cruise experience, adding a touch of fun and whimsy to your vacation. But have you ever stopped to think about the creativity and skill that goes into making them? Creating intricate towel animals is no easy feat. It requires patience, attention to detail, and a steady hand. Cruise ship staff must master this art to bring joy to passengers, and it's no surprise that some of them have elevated it to an art form. They spend their days folding, twisting, and shaping towels into an incredible variety of creatures, from cute koala and dogs to majestic swans and even stingray. It's a labor of love that requires a deep understanding of texture, shape, and balance. From the moment they're created, these towel animals are destined to bring a smile to your face. They're a testament to the creativity and imagination of the cruise ship staff, who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make your vacation unforgettable. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or embarking on your first voyage, towel animals have a way of making you feel like a kid again, excitedly exploring the wonders of the high seas. Let's take a closer look at some of the most incredible towel creations you'll find on a cruise ship. From a majestic elephant to a playful dog, each one is a testament to the creativity and skill of the staff. Take this adorable koala, for example, crafted from a single towel with precision folds and creases that bring it to life. Or how about this regal swan, its neck elegantly curved and its feathers delicately textured. Behind each towel creation lies a story of inspiration and technique. Join us as we are showed how to fold towels into animals, and then guess what animal we just made. Let's take a closer look at how it's made, and discover the secrets behind this incredible work of art. Watching the staff at work is like witnessing magic happen before your eyes. With every fold and crease, the towel transforms, taking on a life of its own as the animal begins to take shape. It's a testament to the power of creativity and imagination, and a reminder that even the most mundane objects can be transformed into something truly special. Place the towel long ways and roll up from both ends to the center. Folded in half, the two rolls face outwards. Hold the middle points of each roll. Two in each hand and pull. Watch as the magic happens. Small towels long ways. Fold in half, pull the corner down to the center and repeat with other corner. Fold up the corner. Turn over and roll up the sides to the middle. Open out the top points a little and put on the body. You have made a dog. New animal. Fold in the side long ways and have the middle open. Looks like 3 sections. Middle is only 1 thickness. Roll up both ends like last time. have the line going around on the outside. Put on the table and put out the bottom roll a little bit so they sit on top of each other. Now we get the little towel and find the middle. Hold with chin or teeth and roll, put the sides into the middle. To turn over and fold down the straight line. Roll up the point to make the elephant trunk. Place on the body. New animal start as before and roll into the middle just like last time. Fold it into half again, this time put the rolls on the table like legs. Roll the hand towel the same way as before, making a carrot-like thing, put it between the legs and you have a dinosaur. Did you enjoy watching the animal towel folding? I did. Let me know which animal is your favorite. If you've been on a cruise before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below, or if you have any questions about Carnival Luminosa, feel free to ask, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel tips and adventures.